So I'm just gonna play, watching my eyes go away, doctor, I play, watching my eyes go away, doctor, I play, watching my eyes go away.
Welcome back, YouTube family. Today, guys, we are coming to you with a passion fruit wine. And I've been wanting to do this one on the channel for a while. I basically have done passion fruit a few times, and I just wanted to bring it to you guys. And guys, like I said, I know I'm working on these video skills and stuff like that, so I am gonna do a few different things to try to get you guys to watch the videos. And you guys been watching my videos, and I really appreciate it, but I don't want to make it too stagnant and have you guys lose attention. We live in a generation where everybody has a sharp attention span. It just, we can't stay focused on anything. But anyway, like I said, we're going to go ahead and get right into this one. So we are going to go over our ingredients that we will be using today. We are using 2 pounds of passion fruit. We'll be using 1.5 pounds of white sugar, 1/2 pound of brown sugar, 1/2 pound of raisins. We'll be using 1 pack of black tea for our tannin, 1/4 lemon wedge, or 1 lemon wedge for our acid blend. And we will be using BM 4x4 Lalvin yeast. You can use any yeast of your choice. And actually today, I just pulled this one out to use it for this recipe. And we'll be using 1 gallon of water. As you can see in the back, we have our usual suspects. We have our graduated cylinder and our hydrometer, our pitcher. The spoon is to the side in the back. And today we'll be using the fermenting bucket along with the airlock. Already pre-filled it with the sanitizer. So enough being said, like I tell you guys, I try to do my best to keep it short and sweet for y'all, so y'all can go about y'all daily activities. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into this process. Okay guys, so we have allowed our juice, tea, mixture, whatever you want to call it, to go ahead and cool. So what I'm going to do next, and unfortunately I have to do this off camera, but we'll be right back. I'm just going to go ahead and pour this into the pitcher and see how much fluid that we actually get, guys, or how much juice we actually get. And that water that I showed you earlier when I pointed out that I only use half, we're gonna use that water to go ahead and top this up. So be right back. Okay, so we came in around 82 ounces. So this is the raisins, and we're gonna go ahead and remove that out the way. Then we're gonna go ahead and grab the water, pour it up in here, and we're gonna top it up to a little bit above the 128 ounces, which is 1 US gallon. And like I said, we're gonna bring it up to about 4,000 milliliters on the other side. Just give us a little bit more to work with as far as when we go ahead and get this fermented and siphoned and all that other good stuff. But now we are about to go ahead and get this gravity reading to see where our specific gravity, our OG gravity, or whatever you want to say, is at. Okay, so you guys is going to ask me where the jug came from. That's just one of my spare jugs that I be having when I want to ferment something out of the usual of using my regular equipment. But I went ahead and got this reading, and we are sitting at just roughly around 1.098, which is fine. I told you I look for numbers between 1.080 to 1.100, and that's fine because and make a nice strong wine. You have a nice flavor, nice ABV, all that good stuff or whatever. But also the purpose of this right here is I'm going to shake this up because I want to go ahead and get our must oxygenated, so I can go ahead and pour into the fermenter in the back. So I'm going to shake this up. I'm going to add all this, the juice, must, so on, so forth, such, blah, 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 or whatever, and get this all taken care of, and we'll be right back to finish off the video. What? Okay, so guys, we are back, and once again, at the end of the video, so we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle some yeast up in here. I'm gonna eyeball 1/4. I think that's about 1/4 of yeast that we put up in there, which should be fine. And we're gonna go ahead and add our lid to this. And gotta excuse me, guys, because I'm kind of working with one hand to get all of this done. So I'm gonna sit here and act a little bit special and stuff of that nature, or whatever. And we're gonna go ahead and fix our airlock, and voila, voila, we are done. We got this finished. So this video should be short or whatever. So guys, one more thing. When you sit here and you make these things, you know, these wines, taste your wine. Go ahead and taste it, obviously, before you put the yeast in or whatever, but taste it, because a lot of times, like I tell you, the juice is just as good. It's like when you do lemonade and everything like that. These make good fruit juices, even if you do not want to ferment this, and you can have a nice little juice that you can drink here and there or whatever like that, that you can enjoy. But I just wanted to say that for all the non-alcoholics that we have out there. But basically, we're going to allow this to ferment for 5 to 7 days, or as long as it needs to ferment. Then when it's finished fermenting, we're going to go ahead and rack, which I do have a racking and secondary video that touch on this, so we can get that done. And then after that stage, we are going to go ahead and get this back sweetened and bottled. But right now, that's all I have for you guys. I appreciate everybody checking me out, coming to the channel. I love you guys. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit one of those like buttons and show your boy a little bit of love. Guys, we are almost at 500. I got this video and the Christmas video coming out. So do your boy a favor and subscribe so we can hit that 500 mark. Once again, love you. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.